रोटरी क्लब ऑफ पोर्वोरीम आयतारा 30 जुलय घडोवन हाडटात रोटरी रेन रन 2023 रन फॉर कॉज. शेनवारा रोटरी क्लब वांगड्यांनी जर्सीचे अनावरण केले. तसेच पत्रकार परिषदेंतल्यान हे विशींची चड म्हायती दिली. आयकात.
30th July is the date this year. As we have fixed up on all previous editions, last Sunday of July is the date, and that's how it falls on 30th July this year. The distinction we have added up, apart from whatever we do generally, is our course is measured course this year. We are certified measured course by World Athletics in cooperation with AIMS. So our race now is recognized world over by all the major runners running major marathons, especially with all those who are part of AIMS. So that's one. Categories remains the same 4 categories: 2 kilometer fun walk, 5 kilometers dream run, 10 kilometers and 21 kilometers are a timed run, which will again, venue remains the same. Venue is your SAG Athletic Stadium, Bambolim, opposite GMC. Route is from there we start and get into underpass, come out at GMC. From GMC, All India Radio, then we go to University Road, Dona Paula, Miramar Circle and back. So this is the course for 21 kilometers. For 10 kilometers we turn around at Orchard Junction. For 5 kilometers we turn around at Aldia de Goa Junction. And for 2 kilometers somewhere near the All India Radio. So that's the turnaround point. We have increased the number of hydration this year based on the feedback that we got last year. So we'll have 7 hydration counters this year. Apart from 4 ambulances on the route and then at the venue. Timing technology is using, we are using timing technology as the timing chip we are using of their company, which is again recognized by AIMS.
We start the first race at around 5:30, which is the 21 kilometers, followed by the 10K, which will be flagged off at around 6 o'clock, and then the 5 and the 2K. So each and every participant gets finisher's medal, breakfast, then the 5, 10 and 21K participants will get a t-shirt and a finisher's medal.
What we have done with the sonography mammography, and we have had couple of incidents that has been a turnaround wherein women had come for the normal sonography, and through the X-ray mammography they have been detected at the early stage of breast cancer, and now they have been able to go through the treatment, and we have been managed and touched upon lives to save their life in a early detection. So this is all the word that we want to spread through the villages so that the women don't neglect themselves. Secondly, beside PCAP, this proceeding is also affected to the women health and education along with that.
We utilize for doing so many social projects, such as we are already running a cardiac care center at Mapsa District Hospital. We also support NGOs. We also do many projects which goes along with the nature too. And we have also Prakash Cancer at PCP camp we do, so to support the women breast cancer.
Medium to understand what health is all about. It will be a barometer for them to understand where they are standing and how they can improve further. I think this is the aspect. I think the 9th edition, I think it's amazing that Rotary has been able to do that for a consistent period of time. I think, as we always say, there's the difference between greatness and goodness is the aspect of how consistent you are. I really congratulate Rotary for having continued the tradition for the 9th year, and I wish them all the best for the years ahead.
GOA365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीस आणि मनीषा जाधव.